Now I'm creating a new program file. There I will be discussing more into array. As I said that array functions will be like I will be discussing connected. So let's discuss it. Let's take one more array here where user, suppose I am creating, and some names I am taking here. Let's say Aman. And as I said that you can use different data type elements in this. You are free to use the different data type elements in the array. But right now I am taking, like say, aman123@gmail.com. This is also an string. And let's say age 23 and city Agra maybe. So percentage marks. So I'm just taking some different data type values here. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss some functions here. Shift and unshift. Okay, two functions I am using here, like I am going to discuss here. Shift function and unshift function, which is related to array itself. Array functions it is. So just log this users first of all. Spelling user. This user we are logging. And this is the program number 21. It is getting printed. It's fine. Now I am going to use the pop function. Okay, I will be telling multiple functions. So I am just adding all of them. Pop. So suppose I'm taking here user.pop. Pop function is basically used to delete the element. Okay, it is going to delete the element. So here you can see the last element has been deleted. This is before popping, before deleting, and this one is after deleting. So when you are popping it, when you are using pop, so the last element of the array would be deleted. Okay. Now shift and unshift I am coming towards. So when you talk about shift and unshift, so I'm telling firstly unshift. So user dot unshift and new value I'm just giving here. So as the name implies, it is going to shift something, and what it is going to shift and how, that you will understand as I will run this code. Okay, so here you will be able to see the things done. Now, firstly, what is getting printed? Firstly, it is printing us, like giving us the actual array which we have taken with the help of the line number 3. Then we have popped one value and then we have again printed it. So one value deleted, that is the last element has been deleted and it is giving us the array. Then we are adding unshift. We are unshifting. So it is going from left to right. Okay. Unshift works like this way. Okay. It is inserting from left to right. So it is inserting one value and it has shifted the last value. So you can see the last value, like simply it is shifting one value and the actual array was this now because one element was already deleted. So this is getting shifted from here. So one value has inserted and all other values are shifted towards the right. This is the functionality of you, like you can say unshift. Okay. Then what is shift? So suppose I'm taking user dot shift. And let's log it. So here we go. And now you can see when we are using shift, so shift is actually working this way. This is shift and this is unshift. Unshift is moving from left to right. Shift is simply deleting one element. So the new value which I inserted, you can see now it has been deleted. So this is the working of unshift. And here the program and the output both are in front of you on the same screen. Because like a very initial phases it was, and we are on the JavaScript. To implement the MERN concept, there is the requirement of JavaScript itself. Anyways, so let's move further. Now, what I'm going to do, let's do the index of, suppose I'm taking user dot index of. Index of, as the name implies, it will be simply giving us the index position value. Suppose I have taken 3. Let's check that the third index is having something or not. I'm just printing it. So here you can see -1 is given because third is not there actually. It starts with 0, 1, 2. So this is about index. Now when something is not present in the array, then it gives as output as -1. Okay, so what I'm taking index of 2, index of 3. So index of 2, 3 we are taking, but actually 2 and 3 is not present in the array. If I take it 23, so it will be giving us the value. Here you can see, still it's not giving index of 23. 23 is present. 0, 1, 2, it should be giving 22 here. Why it's giving -1? User is our array. Index of 23 we have taken. Okay, I'm just commenting this all first of all. Let's clear the screen and check. It's getting printed. That means the program is not saved properly or what. Let's save and run it once again. Here you can see, actually it was not saved. Now you can see I am just searching for the index position of 23. So 23 is present on the second index position, 0, 1 and 2. So 2 is getting printed. Now I am uncommenting this all. It's not necessary to comment it. It was not coming, like output was not coming. So just check it. To just check it, I just did it. Here you can see it's all working fine.